Grabe guys, the stars are aligning talaga para sa ating sumusuporta kay PRRD. Guys, talaga yung mga pagdadasal natin guys is not in vain. No, tingnan mo, naka-leave or nag-step down yung chief prosecutor ng ICC, si Karim Khan. Oo guys, grabe, wow. Alam mo yung may sexual misconduct pala na sinasabi guys. Pero yung mga balita dito sa atin sa Pilipinas ay ano lang, yung parang hindi masyadong bulgaran yung balita. Pero guys, tingnan nyo tong balita sa ibang bansa. Grabe. Sinabi talaga guys na pinilit talagang makipag-sex. Siya, pinilit niya yung legal staff niya, junior legal staff niya, grabe. At ilang beses pa talaga sa iba't ibang lugar, including na yung sa bahay niya, grabe. Ito panoorin natin.
International Criminal Court's lead prosecutor Karim Khan has temporarily stepped down until the end of a sexual misconduct investigation into his alleged actions against a junior staff member. Khan informed his staff of his decision amid escalating media reports stating it was to uphold the integrity of the International Criminal Court. Melita Oletenges has the details.
Raise your right hand.
Karim Khan, the chief prosecutor of the International Criminal Court at The Hague, has announced that he is stepping down temporarily as a United Nations investigation into alleged sexual misconduct nears its conclusion, according to a statement from his office on Friday. In a letter to his staff, Khan explained that he had been keeping his position under constant review and that his decision was informed by the need to protect the integrity of the process. Khan, who was served as ICC prosecutor since 2021, is accused of forcing himself on a female assistant in a New York hotel room in December 2023. The incident is being investigated as part of a broader pattern of alleged inappropriate touching, harassment and forced intercourse by Khan against his accuser. The assistant, a Malaysian lawyer in her 30s, alleges that Khan further forced her into sexual intercourse against her will while on missions in New York, Colombia, Congo, Chad, Paris and at his residence in The Hague.
Grabe.
Khan is well known in Kenya for his role in defending President William Ruto.
Grabe no, sobrang daming ilang beses niya ginawa yun sa kanyang junior legal staff, yung ipilit niya no. Tapos siya pa yung nagpo-prosecute ng mga tao dahil dyan sa human rights na yan. Dapat siya talaga yung siya pala yung kasuhan ng human rights violation ng human
at the
rights
ICC on charges of crimes against humanity following the disputed 2007 elections, representing both President Ruto and journalist Joshua Arap Sang. The prosecutor had denied all allegations of misconduct which were reported to the court's governing body in October last year. Melita Oletenges, Citizen TV.
Oh, di ba? Siyempre, i-deny talaga niya yan. Mahirap naman no kung sasabihin niyang ginawa niya yan. Naku naman talaga. Oh, tapos dito yung mga yung mga natitirang prosecutor niya, 2 na lang. Tapos nag-file pa talaga yung kampo ni PRRD, yung legal counsel niya na alam mo yung ipa-disqualify yung 2 judge, yung 2 babaeng judge kasi wala na. May desisyon na sila tungkol sa jurisdiction. Kaya hindi talaga sila pwede maging judge, no? Yung parang bias, nakitaan nila ng bias talaga. Kaya, nako talaga, ewan talaga dito sa ICC, kaya sinasanction ni Trump Alam mo yung hindi naman talaga siya para lang talaga siya sa itong Pilipinas, nung kaso ni PRRD, to prove lang talaga na they're doing something. Kasi nga, ang laki ng budget na, alam mo yung pinopost nila, tapos wala naman silang ongoing na case. Kaya, nako, ewan ko dito. Sana lang talaga, matapos na to. Ano masasabi nyo? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye!